Okay, so she's somewhere over there. Oh, is that her little head? We are in Wallace, Idaho, and this is like, it's not really a park, but it's got a lot of stuff about trains and like mining stuff, and it's got like a little pretend mining shaft over there. And where's Abby? So this is the train that they've got. I don't see Abby though. I think I lost her. What if I have to go back without her? I would sure not like that.
Boo!
Oh, there she is. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it here.
Yeah, you love it?
I like it more than I would have.
Yeah, can you focus? I'm taking video, so tell me what you think.
I love it. It's the best.
What's the best part?
Everything.
Well, can you name one thing that you think is absolutely the best?
I don't have a best. Everything's the best.
Yeah? So, good road trip?
Yeah! I love being by the river!
Yeah. Oh, and it's by the river. Okay. So, this is the park with the trains. And the river is beyond that. We got some pictures earlier. So, it is good. So, this is our road trip. Say bye.